Hello there, welcome to Travelia. Today we are going to see how to do ArriveCAN. Go to Google, search ArriveCAN, and you will see the site www.canada.ca, and this is the official one. And click the link. Link is given in the description also. Read the data which is given in the site. This is very important process. So ArriveCAN is mandatory for any traveler who is visiting or transiting via Canada. So there are some methods to fill the form via App Store, App Play Store, and via online. So I'm doing with online. Click that one. Read the privacy statement and proceed. Create an account. I have already created an account. If you haven't, just create. So by clicking the create an account link, just enter your email address and password. A link will be sent to your email ID. Kindly activate it. Once you create your account, log in with your account. So this is the main start of the procedure. Read all the things which are given in this site. So they have given all the information very detailed and in a clear manner. You can search all the details which you need to fill the form. So who are exempted from quarantine, everything is there. Okay, start. So there are entry by air, entry by land, entry by mail. So I'm entering via air, so I'm filling out the form. So country of original departure, so I am departing from India. This is the first country where you are boarding the flight, the country which you are staying. So arrival airport is like Toronto. Yeah, fill that one. So in this case, if you are going visiting any other airport, you can enter the details, enter the airline. So I am traveling via United Airlines and the flight number. You can enter the flight which is landing in Toronto if you are using any connecting flight. So and apply the time of arrival. After filling, and next, this is one, like if your travel is related to cross-border services, performance of essential services, medical support, trade, click yes. If you are a normal traveler, then click no. If you click yes, then they will ask the type of work which you are doing. In this case, I am not going for any of the above category, so now I am clicking no. So I am having a permanent resident, so I am clicking this one, returning to Canada. So you can also read the details carefully, and like which is apt for you, you can fill the select the criteria and select next. Enter the document type. So then the passport will be the most best one. If you have any other document, you can enter, but passport is like most valid and trusted documents. So I'm entering the country of issue, it's India, and document number, then my surname and given name. So I have filled out there. Okay, surname, then given name, date of birth, fill out the date of birth, month and day. So if someone is traveling with you, you are traveling in a group or with a family member, you can just click that add travel detail and you can enter the detail. In this case, I am traveling myself. Then next, select next. Contact information. This is a very important thing you need to do. Enter a phone number with the country code. Without entering the country code, the site will not accept your phone number. I'm entering my mobile number. If you have secondary phone, kindly enter that number, which will be very helpful for you. Have you received the COVID-19 vaccine? So I am staying in India, so and I have already received the vaccine. And you also need to enter your proof. There are range of vaccines. I have taken Covishield, which is also known as AstraZeneca one. So I have taken my first dose in India, then enter the date of first dose, first jab. I took on April 20th. So in case if you have received the second dose, fill the one. If you haven't taken also no issues, like you can fill out like no. So I got taken the second dose. That's AstraZeneca. That also I had taken in India. Date of second dose is like just a few weeks back. Is July, yeah. If you have certificate or proof of vaccination, you can upload. In India, like we are given certificates. In some countries, like you will be given a token or a medical prescription like thing, so that you can upload it there. Then these are the mandatory travel requirements. Like you need to give negative COVID test. You need to upload the proof of vaccination. So just click back to check. When without uploading, it will proceed. So you need to take a negative COVID test certificate along with you before entering. If you are under age 5, you will be exempted. So this is the fill the details. Okay, now I have been affected by corona. So I already take test, and before entering Canada I'm taking test. It is from India. So the test should not take in more than 72 hours before the scheduled departure. So kindly carefully read that and take the test within 72 hours before your flight. That is very important, because like if your certificate is too old, Canadian government will not accept. Not our Canadian, like most of the country which you are traveling will not accept your certificate. The best is like less than 48 hours is very useful. So kindly plan and take your certificate with you. So read the mandatory quarantine. You can any point, if you have any doubt, you can fill out the form easily. So you can fill out the form easily by reading the hint which they are providing. Okay. So the countries which you are traveling. So I haven't traveled to any country, but if you have traveled, you can enter like by selecting yes. They will ask you the set of countries. If you are selecting no, like you can directly proceed to next step. Next. So if you select a yes, you will receive this one. If you select no, you can proceed to next step. These are the 14 steps. Okay, now it is partially you have filled. Now the quarantine questionnaire you need to fill. Okay, now this one, like do you have accommodation where you can quarantine? Yeah, I have my home, so I am selecting yes. I can avoid contact with all the guests in my home. Yeah, water, food, without leaving quarantine I can access. No, there is no one in my location who has less than or more than 65 or have any medical complications. Okay, read this one. Essential. No, there is no any essential workers. Group home. No. It is you need to book a hotel for 3 days. It is very mandatory, and I have already done a booking. The hotel needs to be approved by Canadian government. Government approved hotel is only allowed. You can't book a hotel which is not approved by the government. So you need to book 3 nights. So I'm entering the details, hotel booking reference number. So if you are not booking any room, there is high chance like you will not allowed inside Canada. After filling this one, you can move on to questionnaire 8, the final quarantine location. It is my returning home. Enter the street name and number. Yeah, Ontario, Canada. So apartment or unit number. Yeah, after filling your address, then click next. This is your self-assessment. Are any of the travelers are experiencing any of the following? No, no one is experiencing fever or difficulty in breathing. No one is experiencing. Like I'm traveling by myself. After submitting this form, we will get the acknowledgement. Submit. This is the receipt. This is very important. Kindly take a printout of this receipt. You should show this receipt prior to boarding your flight and to the border service officer upon entry. This also you will receive as an email. That is a very important one. Okay, kindly like, share and subscribe our channel. Kindly like our video. Thanks for your support, guys. If you have any doubt, you can contact us. In case if you feel a difficulty in filling out the form, we will do it for you at a very minimal service charge. Thanks for your support.